Bad news, great companies. Isn't that what we look for? I talked about that a couple days ago. Yesterday's earnings report gave another opportunity for a great company with some bad news. Fell off a good bit today, and I think that creates a good opportunity to maybe pick up some shares. Stick around in the video. I'll talk about the company and tell you what I think. Hello, my YouTube friends. Today is Thursday, February 29th. I hope you're all doing well. Kind of excited today. I see a really good opportunity to pick up a stock that I really like that I wanted to already. I own a tiny bit, but I think yesterday's bad earnings, along with the other information, creates a really good opportunity. Now, keep in mind, this is not financial advice. You guys need to make your own decisions when it comes to making your financial choices. Reach out to your financial advisor, do your own research, but you shouldn't be listening to me. We have different goals in mind. I'm just sharing what works for me. Also, before I get into the video about why I think this is a great company to buy, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate the support. I can't thank you guys enough. So, Snowflake, great company, one that I've wanted to own for a while. They're in the data business where they store things in the cloud. Super strong, one of Kramer's favorites, even when it was trading $400 or $500 a share a few years back. Had earnings yesterday, and they announced a change in the CEO, which I think is really what drove the stock lower today. It was down over 20% at one time. When I looked last, it's down about 18 or 19%, trading around 187. Again, not financial advice. I'm just doing what works for me. But I think this creates a great opportunity to pick up a really good company at a discount. What I find is when stocks fall, people get scared, they run for the hills. But you really should be looking at it as something that's on sale. If you plan to own the company for 5 years, what's the difference where it is today? Other than yesterday, it was much more expensive. I don't plan to own the company for the next 2 months. Maybe it goes lower from here. So I keep nibbling, and as it goes lower, unless something changes in my overall opinion of the company, well, I want to own it. I don't want to get out. There's no reason for me to worry about it. It's just less expensive, and I can get a few more shares at a better price. The interesting thing is they crushed it year over year with growth of, I think it said 150%, and earnings coming in really good. They gave a little bit of forward guidance where they had concerns about, landing some big clients, but the reality is they're growing really quickly, they're increasing their revenues, and it looks like they're doing really well. I think what sent the stock into a tailspin was the change in CEO. But people overreact to that stuff sometimes. Maybe it's a good thing, and maybe it doesn't really change anything, and maybe it's a bad thing. That's kind of why I say, you have to give these things a long time. I'd be curious where it is in a year or two, and I'll worry about it then, and I'll decide what I want to do. In the meantime, I'll pick a little bit up and see how it works out. Anyway, again, we're going to keep this one short. I hope you're all doing well. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm hoping I'll talk to you tomorrow, and well, tomorrow's my birthday, so we'll see. Odds are I'll try to get a video in, but it's a little why I'm in a hurry today, too. Again, thumbs up, like, subscribe. Have a great afternoon, and talk to you soon.